Defending a higher earner in a child support case can be sometimes one of the most difficult cases because they're looked at as a sitting target because of their resources and their income. And so what we really do is we work with the higher earners to identify if the other person is receiving any other income that may not be immediately determinable. And then we also really think about what can we do to utilize vocational experts so that we can show that the person receiving support may be not working or maybe can work, and what the true amount of money that they really could be making that could be going towards the child. And I think what we do is we take a multidisciplinary approach and we integrate all of the different factors so that when we go in front of the judge can see the true picture on the case, and that we can zealously fight for our client so that the correct child support calculation comes out. One of the best results we've had in defending against a child support case is when we were representing a spouse that right before the divorce happened, their other spouse gave up their six-figure job. And the real suspicion was that this was done just to get support. Really didn't make any sense, but that's what it seemed like in that case. And that person's review is on our website and is on the materials that have reviews for us. But what we were able to do is employ a vocational analyst, and we were able to prove the true earning capacity of that spouse and to show that they actually had quite a significant earning capacity, which then basically had that person paying my client child support. And that was truly the just outcome in that case. I can represent people on defending against child support just as much as I can represent people seeking child support, because I think it really helps my clients that I can understand the different pressures that both sides are facing. So when we go into court, I know what the other side is looking at, and then I can best help my client by understanding them and then also seeking to get a good resolution to the case.